Hello, my name is Dejan Pojatar. I'm the head of engineering department of the Green Spark. Today I'd like to make an event review of the Leapton N-type solar panels that are with rated power 570 to 590 watts. Impression for these models was quite good because installation was going smoothly. All panels, they arrived with all necessary accessories, and because it was roof installation, and installation frames and supports were installed directly on the roof, and installation of the panels was quite easy. So we also wiring and the installation of the tables was quite easy. Performance of modules is as expected. So as certification and parameters that was given by the manufacturer. What was tricky is that the installation area is quite demanding, so requires quite low temperatures. So these models particularly have been chosen because it can work on low temperatures like -30. So the performance on these temperatures are quite good. Usually during installation, there can be some damages and problems, and for the particular case for these panels, we are very happy with their performance because we didn't change any of them after the startup and have any issues. So they practically was working perfectly without any problems. They are already working in more than a year, I think, and there is no any issues with these panels. I would like to recommend the usage of these panels in the area where temperatures during the winter season can go below 20 degrees, -20 degrees. So this is the advantage for this equipment. We have installed it from the beginning in our facility in Aksai. Started where is now we have more than 1 mega of production, and we were using this panel from the beginning. So it's almost 7-8 years without any problems working. Of course, there is expected reduction in performance that is can be related to any type of panel. This is a tough one. So, comparing to the other products that the big names, this let's say this product is quality price ratio is very good. It's very good because the cost for the invested for the quality that was gained is quite impressive. Let's say this is the best advantage of this product. The performance of the panels, solar panels, is not depending only on one parameter. For the area that is installed at the moment, they are performing very well. Doesn't mean that in a Sahara Desert or where the sunny days are much higher and the energy from the sun is much higher, they can't perform like others. So in a certain area, one panels are much better performing, in other area others. So for our case, the panels are performing as expected. If we installed, let's say, higher quality and much expensive panels in this area, they will perform the same. The price of this model is the most attractive part. This is something that we have to, especially in area of installation where is this parameters is crucial, because the cost of the electrical energy in Kazakhstan is 3 or somewhere 4 times less than in Europe. So return rate and other things for the project financial analysis, the cost impact of the panel prices is very high. So that's why we were targeting the most cost efficient and with the required quality product. There was no any hidden costs. What was budgeted at the beginning of the project, the complete set was fitting this budget. No any surprises on this method. Installation and usability, let's say I will give a 4. Performance and reliability, also 4. Build quality and durability, it is 3. Value for the money, will give 5 for sure. And overall satisfaction, let's say 4. Alternative manufacturer, let's say, will be Chinese Rini PV modules. They have many type of PV panels. But usually we are installing at the ground installation, the ground lab. So I think this will be alternative to the Leapton model.